Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Halifax debit card. There are many different ways you can activate your Halifax debit card. You can do so online, with a phone call, or using your ATM. In today's video, we're gonna do it online, so let me go ahead and open a web browser. If you've got your Halifax application downloaded on your device, you can open it up as well. In the URL box, go ahead and type in halifax.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site. Go ahead and click on the sign in button appearing at the top right hand corner. In order to activate your debit card, you'll first need to log into your online banking account. Enter your username and password associated with your bank account, and then click on the continue button. If you've forgotten your login details during the process, click on the forgotten your sign-in details option and follow through the prompts in order to reset to a new password. After logging into your account, click on the debit card option and follow through the activation step. Make sure to provide your correct debit card information available on your card, and then you will be able to complete your activation. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.